Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to compare Debian Linux and Windows 11. Debian Linux is a free and open source operating system known for its stability, security, and reliability. It is widely used on servers, development systems, and personal computers. Debian gives users complete control over their system, runs efficiently on older hardware, and typically requires fewer system resources than Windows 11. It also has a strong reputation for privacy since it does not collect the same level of user data as many commercial operating systems. Windows 11 is Microsoft's latest desktop operating system and is designed with ease of use in mind. It offers broad software compatibility, excellent gaming support, and seamless integration with popular applications. Most commercial software, games, and hardware accessories are designed with Windows compatibility as a priority, making it the easiest choice for many users. When it comes to performance, Debian often feels faster and lighter, especially on older computers. Windows 11 generally provides a more polished experience for gaming, professional software, and everyday consumer applications. Debian excels in customization, security, and development work, while Windows 11 excels in convenience, software support, and gaming. Overall, Debian Linux is the better choice for developers, programmers, privacy-focused users, and anyone who wants a stable, lightweight operating system. Windows 11 is the better choice for most general users, gamers, and people who rely on Windows-only software. For most home users, Windows 11 is usually the easier option. For users who value stability, control, security, and open-source software, Debian is often the better operating system. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.